Here's the second scrum. And this is something that Roy will have to sort out. They got shoved off the park.
Yes.
That last one. Here's the number 8 ball through the legs. Gayal, nicely done. Set move. Gets away. Offload doesn't happen. Here's the set coming up now. The three-quarters set it up. Good defense from Trinity. But Royal going to go through the hits now. Or are they not? Decide to go down the park. There's a very strong wind blowing from the roadside end. I think it is looking at your picture, which is Trinity's half now. So Trinity have the wind advantage, and Royal are trying to kick against that wind. Interesting.
Yes, they're pulling the ball back a bit, and that's causing a few issues for the Trinity flanker, the wingers. But what I was trying to say, Chandrashan, is if you saw the Royal play just before this line out, the kick, they were changing angles, bringing the play on both sides of the ruck. That's very interesting. They didn't do that in Colombo. And obviously there's a game plan on, and they're going to keep it fairly close and then spread it out and maybe go for the territory as they're doing now, kicking to the wings.
2-2, they're keeping it very fixed plan, getting the ball, second 2 hits, and then trying to gain some territory. Fair enough, we'll see if they can actually execute their plan, because in Colombo the plan didn't quite work after the first 20 minutes. It seemed to go very quiet. Here's Trinity using the wind advantage. Nice hoof down the park. Ball in play. The fullback, Wise, is the number 11 rather for Royal College.
That's Daniel Disana Gunasekara, I believe. The two Trinity lineouts so far have been quite perfect. They really didn't get it right in Colombo, but they've done their homework. The balls have been thrown in very accurately, clean jumping at number 2. And this holds well for Trinity, because with if they have that set piece possession, and with the backs they have, they can really do something special here.
There we go, Trinity ball now. Big man running straight. Takes Sweet to bring him down, sets it up nicely. Big man again, nicely.
That's Basu Karunatilaka.
Oh, loses the ball in the process. Did all that hard work. That's good work from Nimshan Jawardena, trying to get his side out of trouble. There's Gayal, nobody else there, so he's got to go and bridge that ball, set it up for his forwards. And they're going to try and pick up and go, just to settle things up a little bit. Royal have spent a lot of time in their own 22. So Trinity Royal rather have to try and get away from here now. Fly half, boot down the park, doesn't go anywhere. Collected by Sheikh, links up with a long wide pass. Looking to run the winger. He's got the legs, just needs to link up now. This is good open play from Trinity College. Good gain, getting over that gain line, so important. Oh. Nimshan in trouble. But referee has said come back. Knock forward. So Royal ball again.
The battle is really intense up front. You can see Karunatilaka and Chang and the front row is really trying to assert their authority on this game. So that little battle is going on up front. And that's very important to really take control there in the front 5 situation, because that's a platform for the backs.
Absolutely, Ajit. I mean, that's make or break, really. If you get your front 5 right, the big forward, Boiler House boys, everything else starts to fall into place. If it doesn't, you are struggling all the way through, hoping that something good will happen. Here we go. Here's Royal College again. They've worked that out to perfection. Ball through the legs from the number 8, so he doesn't have to commit, and Gayal doesn't get caught in the process, but didn't happen this time.
I'm not too sure whether that pass through the legs is that safe. It's a bit of a risky pass that the number 8 is giving.
Too true, because you haven't got eyes there, so it's always a tough call, but nevertheless they've been practicing it obviously, and they're confidently trying to execute. Meantime, wide ball, extra man. He's got the run. Let's see it, number 11. Oh dear, oh dear. That's Shanuka, the Royal winger. If he was going to kick, he needed to kick it all the way down the park because the fullback was up and there would have been an opportunity for him. But just harmlessly waxed it into touch, exactly where he stood. So a little bit of nervousness perhaps from the winger there. These are little signs that teams are able to read. Boom! Good tackle. No way through there, says Royal College. Not a very good pass from Ratwata. These passes aren't going to hand. Little inside cut pass, nice. Good leg drive from the number 11 for Trinity. Sussman.
Slight fumble there for Trinity, Sean.
Yeah, it was nice to have you sitting in, mate. Now, looking at all of this, you begin to understand that there's a lot of energy being dispelled. But in terms of the quality of work, as an excellently placed kick. Well,
Trinity coming in very, very close into the Royal half, son. It's coming in deep, deep inside. Royal in trouble at the moment.
well, yes, very much so. And that ball stood up deliciously for the Trinity winger. And the Royal fullback, Nimshan, had taken his eye. Well, he's decided that the ball was going to bounce into touch. Never do that, I always say. Always cover the ball.
Too true, Sean, too true.
You can see the replay of that.
There we go.
There it is, the bounce. Good commitment from that winger. The number 14
Royal
for
taking
Trinity.
possession of the ball at the moment, Sean. Kicked it out once again.
Yes, and Royal haven't been able to move out of their half, mate. They've been here. Trinity have done all that hard
They've been
work.
here for the last 7 minutes, Sean, and
Yep.
it's not looking too good.
13 minutes, almost 12 and a half minutes gone so far. If you're joining us live on Channel I, this is a Bradby live and exclusive. You can't answer more than this. This is Royal College now trying to get out their own half. They've been here for the last 12 minutes, so something needs to happen.
Time for Royal to get out of jail. Will this be the moment to do it, Sean?
Here's
Royal is
Royal.
yet in possession of the ball. They need to kick it
Still
into
not out.
Trinity half. Well, Trinity is back in possession. They've been maintaining this throughout the first 10 to 12 minutes of the game now, Sean.
Ratwata shriek into space. Does well. Good link up. Men on the outside. They got numbers. Here we go. Good tackle. Wonderful smother tackle there from the Royal Centre. Have a look at this, but he was offside. What a pity. Outstanding rugby from both schools.
But Sean, it needs to be said that Trinity have been pretty good with their line today. As they showed in Colombo, they're doing it once again here in Kandy.
Look at that smother tackle, man and ball. No chance for that ball to be passed. Outstanding tackle, but offside before that meant that Ratwata now will get a chance to compose himself and to slot a threefer and to just add to that very important 12 points they brought up from Colombo.
Well, if Trinity do put this through, Sean, they'll be up on 16 points on Royal, and that's stretching the target a tad bit more, which is going to be a little bit of a tough task here in Kandy. The wind straight in Royal's face. Kicking would not be, might be the best possible option for Royal, but for Trinity, they can make use of it.
Too true, and I thought the fly half and Gayal as well need to maybe rethink the... Oh! What was that?
That was mighty low,
But that's true, Sean. Unbelievable. Well, what can you say? Let's have a look at the replay. It was deliberate from Tarindu Ratwata. He kept it low because he knew that he wanted to use the wind.
low and flat. Unbelievable.
Have a look at this.
Sean.
Good tackle, but they were offside. Excellent tackle from the number 14 for Royal College.
There we go, Sean, with the kick. Nice and flat, just passing the bar by just a few inches.
Yes, but as I was saying earlier on, there's a good kick. Outstanding. Wonderful 30-meter game.
Absolutely brilliant stuff from Trinity. Once again in the Royal half. That is just amazing rugby going on in the middle, Sean.
Well, this is what Ratwata brings to the game. Just picked his spot, marked it, and thank you very much. 15:30 so far played in this first half. It's 3-0 to Trinity College. And a short, sharp, bullet-like kick from Ratwata gets Trinity on the scoreboard. And here's Royal back in their own 22.
I believe the kick was one of a kind, and it's the first time I'm seeing that down here in Sri Lanka. Royal in possession of the ball now.
Yes, and they're walking that. Good rolling maul. Good roller from them.
This is what Royal needs to do, Sean, but they need to get the ball into the Trinity half.
They certainly do. They need to spend the time there and focus. I thought, I was going to say earlier on when I was taken aback by the Trinity running, that both Royal fly half and the fullback was guilty of putting it too high, and the wind just brings it back. So you got to try and keep it low because you're kicking against the wind. Little things that matter. Referee says what? The number 11's picked the ball up and he was hesitating. The referee is calling over a Trinity player and the Royal captain.
Referee's having a few words in the middle, Sean. What exactly is he saying?
Looks like he's saying, listen mate, I know I'm in charge. You don't need to remind me, or words to that effect.
All right, so it's with Royal there once again.
I'll decide. Okay.
Still talking, Nimshan, the skipper, the one legally permitted to have a word with the ref at any
All
given
doubts
stage.
seem to be clarified by now, Sean. Royal putting the ball out. That means that's a line out once again for Royal.
That's the last one.
They're in the
You go in
Trinity
the
half.
fight. Okay.
The big question
Okay.
is, will they
another
convert
one.
it into points?
Well, I don't think they've actually gone inside the Trinity 22 in this half.
They still have not. They still have not. They're yet to make it to the Trinity 22. It's just past the 10. Will they make it? Or will they go over that try line? If they do earlier on in this game, it's going to be an advantage. If they
Good
don't,
line out ball.
Step back, step back,
Trinity
step back.
in the lead at the moment.
Release. Move back, move back.
This is a bit better from Royal College now, playing to a format. Inside cut pass. Lost in the tackle. Numbers, oh, just needed to offload a little bit quicker. Couldn't get the pass out wide as he was required to do. Took the tackle and then passed behind the player. Otherwise, oh, hang on.
Uh-oh, a little bit of harty-barty going on in the middle, Sean. Not what you would want to see today. Not at all what you would want to see today here at the second leg of the Bradbury Shield encounter.
Well.
Played for the 70th time.
Touch judge got his flag up. Referee will decide. Officials on the park. Let's have a look at the replay. That's the big tackle.
Get back.
He shouldn't have picked him up.
Captain, only captain.
That was illegal to start with. Referee will decide on that. And then this little thing in there that went forward and then got too much. And there was a little checking on the laundry tags. What was happening? Who wants to what? There's
Little bit
Nimshan.
higher, and it would bring you back memories of Sam Warburton's tackle at the World Cup.
This is what discipline is all about.
Off the ground.
That's, he speared him. Certainly did. Picked him up and drove him into the deck. Not allowed to do that. Both teams huddled up. Let's see what the referee. Where's the referee? Touch judge, referee having a word.
Okay, clear is up. You can't go in there fighting. Okay? Okay.
Well,
Scrum down, Royal ball. Sean, what
Well,
do you think? Would that not have recommended a word from the referee?
we can't hear the ref unfortunately, but I suppose he's maybe given that player a warning for the spear tackle and said carry on. Fair enough. He's the one in charge. We are merely commentators, telling you what we observe and how it just runs along.
Ball down the line for Royal. Will they make this? Will they make this count? They're in possession. They're in the Trinity half, but they're yet to make it over that 22 at least.
Pick up and go now for Royal College. Good gain, good gain. Getting over the game line there for sure. Here's Gayal Jayasinghe. Fly off, decides to go, run past the referee. Nowhere through there. Runs into traffic.
Move away. Move back.
Royal retain possession. Trinity decide not to counter ruck. This is a little bit static from Royal College now. It's all gone backwards. and they've knocked the ball forward in the process.
Very unfortunate there for Royal once again, Sean. That may be the 4th turnover of the game so far.
Big up and under.
No advantage. Come forward. And come down.
Knocked forward, referee plays the advantage. Good opportunity there for Trinity, but couldn't collect cleanly.
You can't go early. Before the ball. No. Okay, sir.
All sorts of stuff going on.
One step behind. Okay.
There's a little bit of argy-bargy amongst the spectators too, carrying on from the ground.
Ready?
Unnecessary. Let's focus back on the game. The players have a big job on their hands. Right now, 3 points to Trinity College. Referee Carter saying, hang on, get it right. As SW joins me on commentary now.
Parallel to the
It's been unsettled. It really hasn't been smooth rugby from either side. Trinity have spent a lot of time in the Royal 22, but only got 3 points to show for themselves. Royal haven't got out of their half.
Absolutely, Sean, but I think both sides are testing and they're trying willing to run, and Royal are playing a better game plan. They're bringing the ball back to the forwards, and the forwards are picking and keeping it going. You could see they all want to bring it back to the forwards.
They're certainly doing a lot of things. They're working very hard with that ball and driving quite well for their part, but just a few errors are costing them all the good gains. Here it is again.
Absolutely, what an atmosphere. Referee Carter not happy with that, given the penalty to Trinity. I'm sure Trinity will go for the 3 points now. Yes, to extend the lead. And so I'm coming back to the story. It's all very good. Look at the colorful people we see around. It's very noisy. I can't hear you too. But having said that, I got 3 stories to tell you. I want to say hi to Mayanti, what I did last time.
All right.
We got Ravi Ponambalam, Kuku Sekaram, and Johan Muller, former both fullbacks.
Mullah is here too?
Yeah, he's
My
here too.
goodness. Well, greetings Mullah. Greetings Mr. Ponnambalam.
2 great fullbacks, as you see,
Yes.
starting to extend the lead. Not this time.
Well, yes, that last kick was very much of a bullet kick. A very low trajectory, but managed to skirt over the bar. So the 3 points separate as Nimshan with the restart. The Trinity Red Army all dressed up.
Did you hear the witchcrafting story which is going
No,
around?
you'll have to tell me all about that. We're very close as Trinity now in space. Good tackle there from Gail Jayasinghe. Certainly stalled the progress of the number 14 for Trinity.
Referee Carter is not happy with the Trinity not staying on their feet.
Giriagama. Yes. Giriagama got an opportunity there. See the replay, he really was herring for the line. And only Gail Jayasinghe stood in his way. Good defense from him. Good commitment, took him head on. Wonderful sight. All these lads, what's running through them? And have a look at this. Here's that inside cut pass, wonderful. Giriagama looking at the line, nobody there, just one. Oh, we'll come back to that replay. Just shows how you can maintain good cover defense. Trinity now with possession. They have enjoyed a lot of possession, Changa.
They not put only 3 points to score to boast about. They still have possession. Ratwata with the inside cut-out pass. A side step, the jinx. Oh, what a run, strong run down by the flank forward, number 7.
That's JDJ Pereira, done really well. But again, the same error, exactly the same place.
Absolutely, and a quick tap taken by Royal. Trinity had not reached at 10. Jawardhan assessing that, put the ball into no man's land, into the Trinity fly-off fullback's hand. As you see the replay, Trinity must stay on their feet.
10 meters.
Well, Changa, these are basic errors that you really can't afford. I suppose it's those little things that matter.
Yeah, another basic error. You got to find touch. skipper doesn't find touch, and Trinity counterattacks and finds touch.
Finally a good kick into touch. Absolutely, this game really hasn't taken off as yet, Chang'e. The scoreline, I think, is reflective of two sides trying to settle down.
Absolutely, because if you go to again, if you see the aggregate, it's 15 points, and Royal must score thrice to get over Trinity now.
Get the mark from here.
Yes, and that must be large in the Royal skipper's mind, the Royal management. All the whiteboard and the briefings would have gone on behind closed doors. Intense chats about how they need to counter Trinity and finish off the 12 points and start this game almost even. Royal need to get points on the board early on. That means that the pressure will be less for them. Fly half does well. Speed. Oh! Leaves it behind. Needs to come back and defend if he's dropped the ball. Numbers for Trinity. Ratwata. Tackle. 3-1. Manages to offload under pressure. Good tackle. Good clatter from the Royal forward there on that Trinity ball carrier, but Trinity still maintain possession, Chang'e.
Absolutely, Sean. Some beautiful, clever defenses. Good tackling, good commitment. And the ball is passed in no man's land. Royal has possession. In a very dangerous, very advantageous position.
Very much
Upfield.
so. Royal need to link up now, but they've lost possession, or have they? Opportunity for Royal. They need to roll away, says referee. And they lost the ball, Chang'e.
Release again. Stay back, stay back,
No
stay
quarter
back.
given, no
Stay
quarter
back.
asked. Fantastic rugby.
Good set for Royal College. Oh dear. Number 11, Royal College. Well,
They got a
my-
penalty, Sean, because the three quarter not behind the hindmost foot.
At the rack.
So another opportunity for Royal to equalize the score now.
Shanuka, mate, you're going to see those pictures on replay and regret every frame. I'm not going to say much except I know what you're feeling.
Time off.
That was lucky for him that Trinity had encroached offside, mate.
Absolutely, because Trinity they were all converging on him, pouncing on the ball, loose ball, and he lost.
This is a very ambitious kick from Nimshan Jayawardena. He's going to go up against a very strong wind. So it'll be interesting to see how much he will do. He obviously can't kick too high.
Captain, your number 4.
Interestingly, referee Carter, I don't know whether we can pick it up. Referee Carter wants to have a chat with the Royal skipper on a touch shots call.
The last incident of the Sajjad saw, he was stamping on the body. Okay? You can't do it again. That's a strictly ball. Okay?
Obviously, we
Right?
can't pick it up what he's talking about, but he's
Okay, his penalty stands. I thought he might reverse the penalty after he had a word with the touch judge. Touch
absolutely.
judge just running across underneath the post now, both touch judges.
That also has given the opportunity because we have lost the wind that is blowing across momentarily.
Here's Nimshan Jayawardena. He has to focus quite a lot because he knows how important this kick is for Royal College.
Looks good. Through
Yes! Fabulous kick, kept it low, exactly what the doctor ordered. To the right upright, did really well, Chang'e.
Fantastic. It's 3-all. It's 3-all now. We are into 30 minutes of the game.
30 minutes, Bradbury Shield 2014, second leg. Channel I live. Pallakalit, chock-a-block. Everybody here, adrenaline charge. Nothing and everything to play for.
As you see the red, gold and blue charging. That's one possession from Royal.
Good turnover. I was going to say nothing lost or nothing gained or words to that effect, but got caught up because I was watching the visual. Nice back pass there from Trinity College. Good little shimmy from the winger. Still able to offload. Done really well. Big number 2 there.
Into a wall of defense. As Trinity recycle the game.
Good carry forward, Trinity College. Nice clean.
Oh, the third consecutive penalty that Trinity has given. in an attacking situation.
In the same place, same tackle, not releasing. Third time back to back.
And Royal has taken a quick tap in their half.
Very ambitious from the fly half. Good to see him. That will do his confidence a lot of good. Nimshan trying to get away, but gets tackled by his opposite number.
Now release. No hand. No hand. Step back. Step back. Step back, number 1.
Jayasinghe. Oh! That was just a little fall over. It wasn't really a tackle there. Fly half goes wide. Nimshan needs to put it long. Why did he kick short? Sheikh, if he gets past, he's through. Almost done. Fabulous from Trinity College. Good counter-attacking. Now the skipper needs to link up. This is excellent work. Nimshan should have just banged the ball down the park. Not too sure what he was thinking when he just chipped over the top there. Skipper Tarinder. Referee says bring it back. Was playing the advantage. So all sorts going on, Ravi. Thank you very much, Changas. Now replaced by Ravi Vijayanathan, a part of our commentary team.
Number 2.
He was watching the game intensely. Royal doing some good things and then some terrible things, Rabs.
Sean, definitely if you see the wind is playing a toll on the game here. Definitely Trinity at advantage, playing with the wind. Royal at unable to counter especially even the penalty kicks at touch or free kicks at touch. They are unable to get ground because the ball is coming back into play. And Trinity has dominated play in the first half. You could say they have been pressurizing, tremendous pressure into Royal territory. Of course, they have not got the scores on the board yet. Just 32 minutes of play. Still about 10 minutes to go. One more opportunity for Trinity to get 3 points aboard. 3 points on the board. We are turning the Ratfat of the skipper about 35 meters out. Will they get it through? Yes, it's over.
Yes.
So Trinity getting the lead once again, 6 points to 3. In the Bradby, they are 15 points ahead. So Royal need to score 3 times to win the Bradby.
A lot of hard work for Royal coming up, and I think they know exactly what they have to do. But here's that replay of Ratwata's kick, outstanding. Does the job perfectly for his side. Takes up a little bit more up the park, as they say. But it's something that Royal College now have to be a little bit conscientious about getting up the park, to getting into Trinity territory, and to try to get some points on the board.
Release. No, hey.
This guy Jayasinghe taking the ball up there, decent carry from him.
Get back.
The forwards need to play a bigger part, really.
I saw
You need to get these big heavy rollers carrying this ball forward and try and just walk and talk the game a little bit more, settle it up for Royal College,
Number one.
try and keep it in the hands because the wind is against them.
I think Royal is overdoing with the 3 forwards, Chan. They are unable to get any more much yard advantage. I think they should run the ball a bit so that there could be a little more support, because I feel that you can test the Trinity defense. Yeah, they are just gaining just a couple of inches, I should say, with the forwards.
Release.
Attacking position, Royal inside Trinity territory. Just a few occasions they have come into Trinity territory. Hope they could get some points on the board. Trinity defending rigorously. You could see
Turnover ball, Ravs.
the Royal has lost position. Nimshan Jayawardene
Here's
famous
Nimshan, good run from him.
attack.
Into traffic.
Ball coming Royal way. Jayasinghe. Of course, standing passes, Shan. They are not running into the ball. They're just taking the ball. Just standing.
I was just about to say that, Ravs. A lot of standing pass.
That's one of the key differences between both teams. Shan Trinity team, when they get the ball, they are almost on 50% speed. But Royal is just standing and taking. I don't know. I wonder how they can, penetrate any defense with that kind of speed.
Well, exactly. I was just going to say, I mean, if they have any ambitions to penetrate, there's no way they're going to stand and pass and run through anybody. They just need to be running a little bit harder, give themselves a better chance.
Royal was miserable in their offloading in the first leg. That's what cost their game. While Trinity was far superior. Whenever they come to the Royal territory, they scored. And today too, they came into Royal territory and they scored. So this is something, the main difference, the offloading technique. I think the New Zealand coaches have done a great job with the Trinity team, teaching them the right way to offload at the correct time, drawing the defense, looking at the opponent, not just passing blind, which Royal is guilty of.
Well, yes, I mean, these are basic, these are such basics that they have to be, able to execute in the middle, Rubs. And it comes down to sometimes you say, well, is it the pressure that affects them? But Royal have been just ballooning passes left and right. They need to be a little bit sharper. They need to be a little bit more committed, I think.
They need to be much more quicker. I would also say, Sean, Rahul Jasingh seems to be always standing and is a bit away, little slower, sending the ball out to the fly half. Of course, that delay time can, cause a couple of yards for the defense to come up.
Too true. It needs to be a rapid movement from the bat because Trinity's defense has been very, very sharp. And for their part, they've been able to close Royal down, so Royal haven't been able to run as much. Whereas Trinity, on the other hand, have been running quite freely. Every time they've got decent ball, they've gained good yards. But some very, very good tackling, some counter defense. Solid defense from a few of the Royalists have stalled Trinity getting over that line. Otherwise, there have been a lot more points. Perfectly beautiful day here in Pallekele. Absolutely chock-a-block. Not even standing room here. It's such a picturesque place. You could be, it's magical. There's more than 15,000 here in Pallekele. Good charge down from Royal College. For me, Rubs, having seen the game, it's now almost 40 minutes, almost the first half. Trinity have come out and done their job as expected. Royal just not switched on enough. Not really committing, not playing out of their skin, not playing hard enough. They need to really come out of the half time. If you look really supercharged.
If you look at the run of play, Sean, both of the possession are with Trinity and they've been attacking. With a few occasions, Royal have gone into Trinity territory in attacking position. So Trinity has been dominating, but the positive thing what Royal has done is they have defended well. They have defended very well, so that Trinity couldn't penetrate and go through the defense. But however, Royal has been most of the time on the defense. In a few occasions they are on attack, but they have still lost position.
Good line-up ball.
Raku after going through.
Through, first phase, nicely done.
Release.
So Trinity,
Move back.
waves after waves, they keep on
Numbers
attacking.
for Trinity College. Sheikh with a little chip over the top. Using the wind. Nimshan has to scamper back inside his own territory. Does well. Steps in. Oh! Good tackle.
Release. Roll away.
By Royal, they had numbers. I thought the wingman could have just headed for the line. If he'd run round the corner line, it would have been a lot better.
Royal deciding to create space by forwards taking over position. Bad pass. Kicking under pressure. Ball still in play. Royal team unable to get touch. They're unable to come to terms with this heavy wind blowing across the field.
Numbers for Trinity College. Steps inside. Again, Trinity advance inside Royals 22. They've been doing this with great frequency, but they've lost over. Their turnover ball again. Ball down the park. Where are the chasers? Sheikh is back there. He'll put a cross kick.
Plenty of position to intimidation. Of course, they have not put used to it, was used to attacking situation, and they are not unable to get something on the board. But however, they have got the lead with 6 points to 3. 15 points for the Bradley overall lead. So just ticking away a couple of minutes, probably seconds for the half-time whistle. Royal, the defending result of the start. Of course, Trinity still probably is Royal put in.
Well, Trinity have had, Rubs, Trinity have had perhaps 80% possession.
Wait, boys, this is the last time, both of you.
Probably
Get the
Royal
mark
have
from
the
your
advantage
touch.
playing with
Okay,
the
I
wind in the
can't get
second
it
half.
every time. Okay,
That's
keep the mark
something
there.
we have to hope for.
You come from here. This is the mark.
Roy will have the advantage of the wind, and I hope they actually use it a lot more than Trinity have done.
Wait!
A clean
They will
throw.
need to.
They will have to, Shan. A clean throw, Royal. Keep pushing, they're grinding, and they're just doing the rolling ball.
They've done it really well, Rubs, as well. They just need to maybe just maintain possession. Referee maybe would have done well to pay the advantage.
And also we see
the number 2 for Royal.
Number 5. Another 4.
Sean, Trinity also has infringed in crucial occasion. I feel they had given a couple of penalties in crucial occasions in the attacking time. So probably which has they couldn't maybe get in make that turn that into an advantage
You are joining the mall.
and turn it over into points. Just a couple of seconds for the first half, Sean.
The clock on screen
Can,
shows
you had a push.
40:33,
Okay, you can't
but
join
don't
the
be
time.
guided by that as you were in Colombo, because the clock is really controlled by the referee. Referee Cardo's watch on his wrist is the clock.
At the wrist foul, last time the referee had a cramp looking at the watch.
I know, yes, he did get cramp, but we'll talk about that later. Good ball. Nicely done by Royal College. Well done by the jumper. They've mauled really well. They've done the roller really well today, Royal College. They just need to have maybe secured that ball once they finish with the rolling maul. And they haven't done that. But here they go now again. Good 15-meter, 20-meter gain from them.
Now use it,
Keep
use it,
shoving.
use it, use it.
Referee saying use it, which is fair call.
Now release, release. Stay back.
There's a gap forming. Of
Hesitant
course.
again.
Take out, release. No, high, no.
Still position Royal Way. There was a
Now
kick
release.
against the play by Trinity player.
Just the basic errors on the deck.
Trinity
Raj.
quickly taking a
Quick
short tap.
Quick
Trying
tap.
to take
quick
it,
tap
take the
rather.
advantage.
They're going quickly.
Oh, was bundled out into
Good
touch.
tackle.
That was a good tackle by the Royal centre three-quarter.
Really well done by Trinity College, taken quickly. Good gain from them. And good
Yeah,
tackle
for the
from
forward
the
pass.
number 12 for Royal College. That's
Get them,
Gayesh
get them
Yap.
back, get them back.
Referee Carter will have a look at his watch.
Sean,
I know in Colombo Rough there was a lot of question about the clock showing 90 and that the referee's still playing or whatever. But it came down to the referee's watch.
yeah, definitely the referee's watch we need to go on.
Right.
Take out, release, release,
Thought
now.
he played it he blew the whistle too soon. Unfortunately for him, he got cramped, so I think he forgot everything.
I think he was almost on time, Sean. Probably that
I think so too.
couple of minutes he was injured was the issue.
Yes, I do apologize. The clock did not show 90. It was
I
me
wonder what happened
presuming
to-
it should.
Sean, I'm just wondering what happened to our friends Jeremy and Jehan. Jeremy probably he's at watching the game on TV.
I think they're just watching the
another 2
game. They
minutes.
probably were too nervous to come and sit here. Here's,
there is
the
Orville
president of
Fernando,
the refs, Mr.
President
Orville
of the Referee
Fernando.
Society,
Crouch,
and that's
bind,
to
set.
the match officials.
The scrum ball for Royal College. If he says the wheel.
Oh, that's a wheel. 90-degree wheel. It's a prize, Sean. I don't know. I'm just against this wheel because the wheel cannot be. It's an articulated wheel. Wheel cannot happen naturally. It has to happen articulate. Somebody has to pull and somebody has to push.
This is the last minute.
So you can't pull.
Well, I wouldn't question
Yeah,
your
first off in the last
wisdom
minute.
of that, mate.
Ready?
Having spent your life in the front
Crouch.
row.
Those are tricks of the trade, Sean, and I think unfortunately that rule has been applied.
You're set, you're set.
Trinity having a position time to. Oh, the ball is going out. Just referee looking at the watch again.
Referee says re-scrum.
The sun taking toll on the spectators.
Wonderful sight, Rubs, to have so many people. He's saying over 15,000 people here today.
And we can hardly hear each other with the noise around.
Yes. It is intense. It really is intense. The Carnival atmosphere here at Pallekele is beyond imagination. And for those of you watching these pictures live on Channel I, enjoy.
One more occasion for Trinity to
Release.
get something on the board before half time. Have they lost position?
Free
Probably
set
yes,
from Ratwak
they
that
have
didn't
lost.
quite work on the crash ball. And Royal gain possession now.
Desperately, I think Royal living dangerously, Sean.
Release.
They are unable to get that kick at the right time.
Gayesh Yapa deciding that he was going to run from his inside. He's only 22. Here's the number 10, long cutout pass. Needs to offload, didn't do that. Could be in trouble. Get away, says referee to Trinity College. Preventing the ball and not letting the tackle player release that ball. So Royal College survive. Clock's now ticking on referee Carter's watch. Don't worry about the clock on your screens, Ralph. That is not indicative of what the referee is keeping time.
Or still, Jai Singh delaying the pass, Sean. I feel that he's just holding the ball on and then passing. It's bringing the Trinity defense up and putting the Royal team under pressure. He needs to swing that ball at the first time.
Well, Royal need to get out of that 22 and release the pressure on themselves and try and free their arms a little bit and their legs. There we go.
Will there be a gap?
Oh,
the centre running into defense. Running into defense. That's half time.
That's half time finally. Everybody breathes a sigh of relief, especially Royal, because they managed to hold Trinity to a 6-3 scoreline. I think is a good achievement given what Trinity had to play for.
But see, the wind has slightly stopped. I hope that wind comes back, Sean. Probably it will be.
Here's the score, Trinity 6, Royal 3. If you're joining us here on Channel I live from Pallekele, this is the Bradby second leg, the final of the Bradby Shield 2014. Here are the highlights.
Oh, the Royal team walking. You see the nervous energy flowing. Of course, confident Trinity team coming into play in their own den. A lot of confidence.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Captain kicking off.
let's be enjoyed with the performance for Trinity College Senior Women. Another
Very few points in the first half, just 6 points to 3. You can see these are some of the highlights in the first half.
The highlights
the
in the first
penalty.
half.
Tarinder just getting over the
Yes, I was going to say that kick,
crossbar.
just skimming over, and then Nimshan replies, and then Tarinder again, Ratwata with the second kick. I suppose a game that didn't really spark up in the first half. Here's a summary on screen for all of you stats gurus. Nothing really to talk home about.
Nothing significant, just 3 points for Trinity and 6 for only a green line for Trinity, that they are 15 points away for all to steal the
We've got to run, Ralphs, because we've got a long set of messages. So we're going to go back to main control. All of you watching here with us in Pallekele, don't go anywhere.
අවුරුදු 50ක් වයස වුණත් කිසිම නිෂ්පාදනයකට සිසිල් ශීතකරණය තැබූ වාර්තාව කඩන්න බෑ කියලා මහරගම ලසිත විතාරණ මහත්මයා කියනවා.
ඇත්තමයි. සිසිල් වගේ අවුරුදු 50ක ගැරන්ටි එකක් දෙන්න කාටවත් බෑ. ඒක තමයි සිසිල් ශීතකරණයේ විශිෂ්ටත්වය.
වසර 50ක වගකීම පුදුමයි නේද? සිසිල් සමදා පෙරමුණේ.
අඩසිය වසක සිසිලස සපුරාලු ජාතියේ ශීතකරණය. සිසිල් ලංකාවෙම එක.
How's our smart TV? It has internet.
Skype? Online shopping? Huh?
It's time to get a real smart TV.
Introducing Singer Smart TV. Smart controls. High definition pictures. Smart internet and online media access, all at a smart price. Singer Smart TV, simple and amazing.
Easy, lazy.
Pocket easy.
Singer washing machine then easy, lazy. මාතිලි රසයි. අලවියෙන් පසු සේවාවයි. Singer වගකීමයි එක්ක පහසු ගෙවීමේ ක්‍රමයට අරගන්න.
Madam.
A pack of tea, please. BOPF.
I know that you only buy Zesta. But now others also claiming BOPF. So, madam, if you need real BOPF, always ask for Zesta. I only sell Zesta, real BOPF. Real BOPF, Zesta.
The art of tea. බාතිලගේ අලුත් සෝං එක මාරු.
ඔයා මට ෂෙයා කළේ නෑනේ.
මේ ඔයා ඊ ඔන්ලයින් හිටියේ නෑනේ.
ඊයේ දවස්ම ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකේ වැඩි.
කෝ මගේ ඩීටේල්ස් ටික?
දැන් ලැප් එකක් නැතුව බෑ නේ.
ලැප් එක මැච් කරන්න ලොව සුපතල ලැප් එකක් ගන්න නම් සිංගම තමයි.
වගකීම කියන්නේ විහිළුවක් නෙමෙයි.
කොහොමද අපේ ස්මාර්ට් ටීවී එක? ඉන්ටර්නෙටුත් තියෙනවා.
Skype? ඇයි online shopping?
ඇත්ත ස්මාර්ට් ටීවී එකක් ගන්න කාලේ හරි.
හඳුන්වා දෙන සිංගර් ස්මාර්ට් TV ක්‍රියා කිරීම පහසු කරවන ස්මාර්ට් කන්ට්‍රෝල්ස් අතිසු පැහැදිලි හයි ඩෙෆිනිෂන් රූපරාම ස්මාර්ට් ඉන්ටර්නෙට් ඔන්ලයින් මීඩියා ඇතුළු විශ්මිතාංග රැසක් සමගින් අඩුම මුදලට අරගන්න සිංගර් ස්මාර්ට් TV සරලයි විශ්මිතයි.
හෝදන්නත් ලේසි. පොකට් එකටත් ඊසි. සිංග වොෂින් මැෂින් දැන් ඊසි ලේසි. මාතිලි රසයි. අලවියෙන් පසු සේවාවයි. සිංග වගකීමයි එක්ක පහසු ගෙවීමේ ක්‍රමයට අරගන්න.
Madam.
A pack of tea, please. BOPF.
I know that you only buy Zesta. But now others also claiming BOPF. So, madam, if you need real BOPF, always ask for Zesta. I only sell Zesta. Real BOPF. Real BOPF. Zesta.
The art of tea. ඔයා ඊ ඔන්ලයින් හිටියේ නෑනේ.
දැන් ලැප් එකක් නැතුව බෑ නේ.
ලැප් එක මැච් කරන්න ලොව සුපතල ලැප් එකක් ගන්න නම් සිංගම තමයි.
වගකීම කියන්නේ විහිළුවක් නෙමෙයි.
How's our smart TV? It has internet.
Skype? Online shopping?
It's time to get a real smart TV.
Introducing Singer Smart TV. Smart controls. High definition pictures. Smart internet and online media access, all at a smart price. Singer Smart TV, simple and amazing.
ගන්නත් ඊසි. හෝදන්නත් ලේසි. පොකට් එකටත් ඊසි. සිංග වොෂින් මැෂින් දැන් ඊසි ලේසි. මාතිලි රසයි. අලවියෙන් පසු සේවාවයි. සිංග වගකීමයි එක්ක පහසු ගෙවීමේ ක්‍රමයට අරගන්න.
Madam.
A pack of tea, please. BOPF.
I know that you only buy Zesta. But now others also claiming BOPF. So, madam, if you need real BOPF, always ask for Zesta. I only sell Zesta. Real BOPF. Real BOPF. Zesta.
The art of tea.
මේ උණුසුම් සමයේ පරණ ඒසයකට සිංහ වෙතින් රුපියල් 30,000ක් දක්වා වට්ටමක් සමග පහසු ගෙවීමේ ක්‍රමයට අලුත් ලේසි එකක්. සිංහ ඒසි තියෙන තැනක් කුල්.
කොහොමද අපේ ස්මාර්ට් ටීවී එක? ඉන්ටර්නෙටුත් තියෙනවා.
Skype? ඇයි online shopping?
ඇත්ත ස්මාර්ට් ටීවී එකක් ගන්න කාලේ හරි.
හඳුන්වා දෙන සිංගර් ස්මාර්ට් TV ක්‍රියා කිරීම පහසු කරවන ස්මාර්ට් කන්ට්‍රෝල්ස් අතිසු පැහැදිලි හයි ඩෙෆිනිෂන් රූපරාම ස්මාර්ට් ඉන්ටර්නෙට් ඔන්ලයින් මීඩියා ඇතුළු විශ්මිතාංග රැසක් සමගින් අඩුම මුදලට අරගන්න සිංගර් ස්මාර්ට් TV සරලයි විශ්මිතයි.
Madam.
A pack of tea, please. BOPF.
I know that you only buy Zesta. But now others also claiming BOPF. So, madam, if you need real BOPF, always ask for Zesta. I only sell Zesta. Real BOPF. Real BOPF. Zesta.
The art of tea.
Thank you very much. Welcome back to Pallekele for the Bradby, the last 40 minutes. Everything to play for. Nothing impossible, as they say. But for these two schools, a lot on the cards. It looks like it's going to go all the way down to the wire. It will remain these 40 minutes in the players' minds. Etched is a task to try and perform. Joining me on commentary is Ajit Aberadna. Ajit, Trinity, lots of possession, but really couldn't deliver more than the 6 points in the first half.
Yes, I believe that the defense on the Royal side are very good. They were spreading out across the field, taking the big players coming through. So given to Royal, the defense was good, and that kept Trinity at bay. And also given to Royal, they are throwing everything at Trinity when they have the ball. Trinity defense line's also good, but Ratwate here is making inroads, and this is the man who can make a difference for Trinity.
He certainly has, Ajit. He's always been managed to get over that gain line every time he's got ball, and sacrificing on the deck, coming in on the wrong side, coming in on the side gate,
yes,
as they say. So Royal College with the win advantage now. Let's see what they do.
Yes, I just have a feeling that they might be able to score a try the way they are really plugging in with the forwards and distributing back to the three quarters. A bit slow in the midfield, but that enables the Trinity defense to get across. But if there's some incisive running, surely Royal might be able to make some inroads.
I was just about to say that. I mean, Royal have been very expansive with their game. They've been trying to shift the ball wide. They've been a little bit inventive with their passing as well,
yes,
but a little static. And
yes,
that's why they haven't been able to gain the ground required despite the passing.
Yes, there's no real line breaker that we have seen yet, and the Trinity defense is quick to get across. But let's see how this goes for Royal.
Nimshan Jawardena with the kick to try and get Royal up to even keel on this very special day up in Pallekele. For those of you joining us live, has he got it through? Yes! So Royal strike first after the start. And this is good news for Royal College. Trinity now just have to make sure that they get up the park like they did in the first half. But Royal have got the win advantage. And how much will they use it? Let's have a look at the replay. There you go.
Yes, Royal had 5 penalties. They fluffed on the line kicking. They didn't get touch, and that really cost them quite a bit. But with the wind behind them, get their kicking right, Trinity got a game in their hands.
The second time the ball is bounced from the kickoff. I'm not too sure what the plan is. You don't generally let that ball bounce, collect it cleanly and put it to good use.
Release!
Royal College fly off under pressure.
Move back, hey, move back.
Trinity defense up quickly.
No, play on. Release!
Royal really going in hard there, playing with a lot of heart to understand.
Yes, and that's what I think they have to do all the way through the second half. They're going to play 42 minutes of absolutely intense rugby, the best rugby they have ever played if they want to change this. As Sheikh gets away from 3. Little football now from skipper Ratwate. Ball bounces favourably for Trinity College, nicely into his hands. There's a big number 2 for Trinity now.
That's Basu Karunanayaka. He's really up there. Second year colorsman.
The tackles aren't happening for Royal College.
That's Umesh Samarasekara taking the ball in. That's a real concerted effort by Trinity there, distributing the ball between the backs and forwards. And Samarasekara, who's having a great game, taking the ball in, and here they managed to get a penalty.
Well, that's been the fundamental difference, Ajit, between Royal and Trinity. When Trinity get ball, they run hard and run straight. If they're running angles, they run even harder. Royal, for their part, have good ball, but don't use the space well. They're just a little bit static, and a little bit hesitant. And that's been the difference. Everything else has been fairly even.
Yes, and Ratatwe makes no mistake. Trinity 9 points to Royal 6 points. In the total tally, they are 15 points ahead. So Trinity getting a bit of leeway here and can breathe a bit because Royal is really putting on the pressure. As the trumpets sound at Pallekele, it's a great atmosphere here.
Well, I have to say this, the hills have come alive here in Pallekele. And it's all happening. There's so much audio around us. It's difficult to hear yourself speak. So forgive us if we are shouting or appear to be shouting on the mics, because we have to. We don't have a choice. If we don't shout, we won't be heard. And there'll be lots of dead air, and that's not really what we want from this wonderful spectacle here in Pallekele. It is supreme. It is carnival. It is the best rugby atmosphere I have seen in a very long time. And I wish it well. Bigger, better, faster. Trinity College, Ratwatta, looking for that big up and under. Looking to go for touch, which he does do. Just outside is 22.
Ratatwe, Tari really accounting for 25 points in the total tally. And Nimshan Jayawardene, fullback for Royal, captain, accounting for all the points for Royal.
Yes, the two skippers, skipper's day out, as they say. Well, will that change? We've got 35 minutes to the conclusion. For all of you joining us on Channel I Live, thank you for the company. This is going to be a spectacular cracker of a match all the way down to the 80. So stay and enjoy. Not straight, says referee. Or is it it's a free kick?
Number 6.
Free kick for Numbers. I think he was closing the gap in the line out. Taken quickly by Royal College. Running at the line. Done well. Pretty player falls up and needs to move away. Royal decide to pick up and go. No way through there. Gal Jayasinghe, fly half. Big long balloon pass. Ball over the top. Why did he kick?
Tackle release.
They had Numbers on the wide as well. They had 2-1. And Trinity have turnover ball.
That's a dead ball. You can't touch him out.
Penalty. Scrum half. The Trinity scrum half there.
Ridhimali Adder from Trinity.
Ridhimali Adder guilty. Yes. Referee says no chance made. You can't do that.
That's an excellent kick for Royal. This is the type of game they have to play because they don't have the incisive back on the back to break through. I believe this is the style of play that is necessary. Get up there and use your lineouts, use the rolling balls, the rucks, and these are very crucial line out for Royal.
True. They've been very effective with the rolling ball. They go for another roller today. Let's have a look. Obviously part of a plan. Collected clearly. Trinity don't contest the line out. Decide to set up for the ball. Here's Royal with the big grinder. They got the leg power. Trinity give